Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. This here is the Hubson H1, and this is arguably the smallest drone in the world. Check out this little tiny guy. I believe there is another drone available for purchase from Hubson that really rivals this thing, or this rivals it rather, because I think the Hubson came out first. But this is a really tiny pico drone, not even a micro drone or nano. This is a pico size. Just to give you guys a size comparison, this is my little earbud, so it's barely larger than my little earbud here. Check it out. So that's how tiny this little guy is. It flies awesome. I don't think that Hubson even makes drones anymore, unfortunately. And so, you know, this guy is a bit of a rare drone. Really hard to come by this. You might be able to find one of these on eBay or somewhere, maybe Craigslist or something like that, if that still exists. But if I find this somewhere, I'll link it in the description. But I just wanted to show you guys this little tiny pico drone and give you guys a chance to see it flying for those who are new to the channel and haven't seen this before. I'm pretty sure my veteran subscribers have seen this before. It does have lights. Awesome little lights. The lights are flashing now because it's not binded. And this little guy fits inside the transmitter. As you guys see, I pulled it out of here for safe storage. Check it out. And so this is a transmitter and drone that does not have altitude hold. So the transmitter's left stick is loose there. It doesn't auto center, in other words. So this little guy doesn't have altitude hold. You can fly it around and it's very maneuverable and everything. You can't put it in acro mode, but you can put it in self-level mode with no altitude hold and whip this little guy around. A blast to fly this little drone. You have to actually know how to fly, though, to fly this little guy, because the drones that we're used to nowadays, they have altitude hold, and so they stay in the air by themselves. Not this one. You have to have good throttle management. You have to find a sweet spot in order to keep this guy in a hover and actually to fly it successfully. You have to have some good throttle management. So if you're learning how to fly a drone without altitude hold, the first thing that you have to learn is good throttle management, and then you are to start with the drone facing away from you like that all the time. Just remember that. And I think I do have a video out there already teaching how to fly without altitude hold, but nowadays we have drones with altitude hold, so I won't go into too much more detail with how to fly this little guy, but I will give you guys some flight footage. We have the little on and off switch here on the side. The transmitter has the button right there on the back. Let's get it in here. I think it does flips. Let's see if I can get it to do a flip. Even activated. Ah. And a propeller flew off of it. I don't think I can remember how to actually make it do a flip. But I think I have to press one of the buttons down. But since it's flashing now, it's probably not going to do any flips. It probably needs a new battery. So I guess the battery's integrity is compromised or whatnot from the age of this little guy. So it's probably not going to be able to do a flip. Nope, it goes into headless mode now. But I won't fly it headless because we're in such a small space here. And as you can see, this guy flies pretty nicely. Does nice funnels and all. It's pretty fast too. If I had a bigger space, I would fly it faster. So that was the end of its battery. The Hubson H1 tiny Pico drone. Awesome little flyer. Consider myself very fortunate to have one of these little guys. Thanks for watching.